Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. A question we frequently receive is, what is the difference between a liquid facelift and a facelift? And the answer is non-surgical versus surgical. A liquid facelift is typically using injectable fillers such as a Juvederm or Restylane or similar type of product with little needles in the office to restore some of that jawline, some of the cheeks, fill in some grooves or nasolabial folds that have changed with time. A surgical facelift, of course, is surgery. That's a much bigger operation. It's going to give you much bigger improvements. And in general, a surgical facelift is best for patients who are looking for a greater improvement or who are older and need a greater improvement. If your skin is really loose, injectables will not get the job done. You need to have both an adequate amount of soft tissues as well as a relatively taut skin and muscles to have the ultimate rejuvenated appearance. If you'd like more information, check out our website, drstoker.com.